this is a tutorial for a nice little floor sequence just to play with while you're getting warmed up and used to your grip on the pole and your brass legs. So we're going to sit at the back of the pole, just on a diagonal. So you're going to kind of go into this position. So you'd be there with your armpit close to the pole, inside hand would be on the pole, and then you're going to lift your hips up. So it just starts up like this, just makes it, you know, just changes the variation from just always being close to the pole. So I'm going to reach around with my inside arm, the one that goes on the pole, come back, bring the knees to the chest to lift the hips up. So you can see I've got the pole on the outside of the leg and I'm hooked with the knee. This foot flexes onto the pole, and then you can use this hand to help you sit up, but you really want the direction to be dictated by this hand. So reach, then from there, this top leg freeze. You've got to point your foot so that it comes onto the floor, and then sit up to roll onto that knee, and as you do so, you can release that leg then, so just find an extension. So you're in like a bit of an arabesque position, and then from there, you bring this leg through, so knee through, extend, and you've got to bring this foot down to make space for your bum, so bring it towards the pole, and then I'm going to take a shoulder roll over my left shoulder to sit, and that's it. So you've just got to, just find the flow with it really, because once you do the sit up, it's the feet that are doing the work really. So actually, let's just go through it one more time together, so that we know that you've got it. So feet can be a little bit wider than hip distance apart, hands are just there. So reach to the pole, come back, big lift, find the pole, sit yourself up, back foot comes down to the floor, and you're trying to post it behind you. Lift, extend in the leg, just find that lovely position, bring it back, extend, see the way that foot cut underneath my body then, roll over to there. So it's a really short little combo, but if you do it a few times over, it should get you nice and warm for some aerial pole work. So go and explore.